Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are all having a great day. And today I want to talk about a topic where I will mention why most people fail in any kind of business, or we could say that why most people are not successful in their ventures, in their life, in their jobs, in things like this, and what is the biggest reason behind the failure, and how you can avoid that reason, that thing, so you could separate yourself from the majority, because majority is the people is built of the people who are failed, who have failed miserably. They are the people around you, around me, around all of us. Everyone is not successful. People are having problem with their marriages, with their relationships. People are having problem with their jobs, with their businesses, and things like that. And no one is getting the success and the real thing, why they are finding the problems, and why they are having so many problems, and only few people are successful. And if you want to become a part of that few people, you need to separate yourself from the majority. And there is one thing, lots of things, of course, lots of things are there which can help you to separate from the majority, but one thing is very necessary, which can separate you from the majority right now. And you can just do it right now, right in this moment. You can do it. Everyone can do it. And that is taking actions. Yep. If you are an action taker, you can either find lots of success, or you can find little success, a small amount of success, and you can find the success gradually. You can never get failed in your any venture in your life if you are taking actions. If you are a person who is lazy, who's thinking that I will take action today, I will do this tomorrow, I will, oh, I'm getting late for my job, no issues, I will manage it, and oh, my relationship is getting busted, and no worries, I will do this. If you are not an action taker, if you are a lazy person, if you are a person who delays the things, who delay the things, that I will do this tomorrow, day after tomorrow, things like this, so you are going to get face the failure. But if you are a kind of person who takes action, and who care about things, who takes things seriously, no one can make you fail. You can either find a small amount of success or lots of amount of success, but you can never fail. Okay, so you need to think about it, and you need to change the way you work. You need to start becoming an action taker. You need to see what kind of opportunities. Let's talk about the business. You need to see what kind of opportunities are available to you. You need to give time to study them. You need to give time to them, and you need to study them, and then you need to decide, either you need to take action on this opportunity, or you need to take action to another one, or you need to find another opportunity. But you need to take actions. You cannot delay the things, and you are keep on delaying the things and still expecting that you will get successful. No, you can why you will be successful? Because you have purchased that $7 course, because you have purchased that 700 coaching. Why you will, why anyone on the earth would get successful if he cannot deserve it? So you need to deserve the success before you achieve it. And as the Warren Buffett says, that world is not, I do not remember the complete saying, so correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. Warren Buffett said the world is not full of foolish people to reward whole bunch of undeserving people. So you need to become a deserving person. And that's it for now. If you like the video, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so you never miss any other update from me. And there's a link below in the description to subscribe to my email list, and I am going to help lots of people to find success, either in their businesses or in their relationship. I am going to help you for free. So if you want to subscribe to that, and the link is available in the description, and also check my website, and lots of valuable content is available there. Talk to you real soon. Rahil Khan here.